Hi, welcome to my channel, and today we are making the trend tulle gloves. I made mine from leftovers from the skirts, so that's why they are ready, red. So you can use them like this, or you can definitely do a little bit like this. That's cute also. Very easy to make. Let's start. So for this project, I'm gonna use the leftover from my Valentine's tulle skirt. So I don't know what happened, but I forgot to sew one of the rectangular stripes that I cut off from the mesh, so it has a little bit stretch. First thing I'm gonna do, I have to do the pattern. I'm gonna glue, put together 2 A4 papers, and I'm gonna draw my hands and my arms. So you need to measure around your arms, like choose 3 points at your arms and measure and check this measurement on your pattern. And there you can add the centimeter that is missing. My case was like 1 centimeter in some parts, 1.5 centimeters in some parts, because our arms are round. So you cannot just draw and cut the pattern, because that means your gloves is not gonna fit you. It's gonna be much smaller. And then after you check that measurements, you can just draw again around the pattern. So as you see, I didn't draw with that so much patience, but try it. I don't think the first glove came out nice actually, but I don't have more fabric, so it is what it is. I need to work what I have, but I should have taken more time to draw that lines there. So the next step, you can just cut all around the pattern you just made. So here it is. Another tips I forgot. For example, I did some marks in my arms, like here. So I measure here, and you're gonna do the same in the paper, and then you measure around the arm. Here in my case was 19.5, and then you can just double check here at the same point if it's giving you 19.5, because we draw here, but like I said, when we draw, the draw is much smaller than your arm. So when I measure 19.5, almost 20 was around here, and after you add that centimeter that was missing, now it's okay. So your glove will probably fit. So take your time, measure around your arm, and come to the paper and draw the sides that are missing. Okay, so I'm gonna take my tool. So the tool is also stretchy, so it's gonna help a little bit if you want the glove to not come off so much easily. Maybe you can take from that measurement, I don't know, 4 millimeters, half centimeter, just to be very tight. So it's up to you. So I'm gonna fold this tool in half on this way. Let's see if it's gonna fit my gloves now. And I need to make sure that I have enough for both actually, because this is small piece, it's what I have. So I'm just trying, sorry, I'm doing this outside the camera. I should have done that before, I know. So if the gloves come out a little bit smaller, it's fine for me. So let me fix this off camera and then I'll come back. Okay, here it is. What I'm gonna do now, I found out where I want. So here it's unfolded. The stretch, it's on this direction. So I'm gonna pin this paper. Of course, it's another way to make those gloves when you remove this finger and then you place, and yeah. But like I said, I'm running out of time and I want to finish this quicker. But I think anyway the gloves will come out very cute.
I'm just gonna go around and pin.
Okay, now I'm gonna bring to my sewing machine and I'm gonna sew very close after the paper. So here's the moment of truth. So I sew with zigzag around. The wide was 3 and the stitch length was 2. So I'm gonna remove all this pin, and then what happened to me probably is gonna happen to you. My machine sew on the paper. So less paper you sew, it's going to be easier to remove. So if I pull, yeah, you can also do this, but I'm afraid that it's going to break the stitch. So I'm just gonna remove. Can you see? I sew here. Yeah. Okay, I think it's easy if you just hold strong the stitch,
And I'm gonna pull the paper. Yes. I'm holding the stitch and pulling the paper. Yes. So it's going to be a little bit some paper here, but it's fine. You can just remove them quickly. Here it is. Now I'm gonna cut around.
Now let's turn the gloves.
Yeah, when you're doing this, I did something wrong, so that it's good because you can see what I did wrong. So I like the way the glove fits here in my arm, so the hands can go inside, everything looks good here, but it's just this curve here. I think I don't know what I did. It's very short, so it's a little bit like annoying, so I should have gone a little bit more down here, then it would be perfect. Apart from that, I think this plan works. So yeah, just need some patience to test if you are making for yourself, or it's something you're going to use a lot, so maybe you could test before. So for the other hand, I'm gonna fix this, and yeah, but this one has to be like this because I don't have more fabric, and yeah, but apart from that, I'm very happy. So I just decided to add some ruffles in the end of the gloves. So I have this cut already. Don't know why. This is from the medium rough tool that I use on the skirt also. This is 51 something, almost 52 centimeters for 21 and a half, 22. And I sew the ends together here, and now I'm gonna fold like this. So now it's around like this. Now I'm gonna go to my sewing machine and give a gathery stitch here around, and I'm gonna sew at the end here of the armhole on my gloves. So if you have more to add for the ruffles, we should, because it came out cute, but I think it's too little. Look, it looks like this. So I'm gonna do on this one, and the gloves are ready. Came out very pretty, of course, but I wish I had more. This medium hardness tool to be more, would be cuter. I think we can also use like this. Just pull everything down. I think it's cute. I like it. See you soon.